First grade friends, it's Mrs. Hannah, and I'm ready for the second part of our math lesson today. We're still on the same lesson, same shape, different pieces, but for this part, our focus is going to be about describing, comparing, and naming 2D shapes. Now, remember, 2D shapes are shapes that are flat. They're shapes that you can draw on your pieces of paper, shapes that you see on paper. They're flat shapes. The first shape that we're going to talk about is a hexagon. You just used a hexagon in our last game that we played called Fill the Hexagons. So let's talk about this shape. What are some things that you notice about this shape? What are some things that you see? Let's look closely at the hexagon. The hexagon has sides. These long parts right here are called sides. Now, a hexagon has many sides. Let's count the sides together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A hexagon has 6 sides. Let's look. I'm noticing that these sides, when they come together, make a point or a corner. It's also called a vertex. We're going to count the corners together. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A hexagon has 6 corners or 6 vertices. I'm also noticing that the lines are straight. There are no curved lines at all. They're all straight sides and straight lines. I'm also noticing there are no openings in my shape. It's all closed in together. Did you notice that? Something else that I'm noticing is that all the sides are the same length. They all are the same length and they all come together for a closed shape called a hexagon. So these are the attributes that I noticed, and I hope you noticed as well. There are 6 sides, lines that are straight, 6 corners or vertices. It's a closed shape, and the sides are all the same length. Attributes are things that you notice about the shape. They're the traits of the shape. Okay. I have another shape that I want to introduce you to. It's called a rhombus. Can you say rhombus? This shape is called a rhombus. Many of you might look at this shape and say, oh, it looks like a diamond. But mathematicians have a different name for it, and it's a rhombus. So now you can sound like a mathematician and say the word rhombus. How many sides does a rhombus have? Count them. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rhombus has 4 sides. How many corners or vertices does a rhombus have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has the same amount of sides as corners or vertices. I'm also noticing that this shape is closed. There are no openings at all. The sides are straight, and it looks like the sides are equal too. Do you know another shape that has equal sides? I hope you said a square, because a square has equal sides, just like a rhombus. A rhombus is like a special square. Okay? All right. I hope that you have learned about our new shapes and you will use all of this information as we keep talking about geometry in our math lessons. Thanks for joining, friends. Bye.